Hey you guys, back with another video. Today, my breakfast is a breakfast bowl by Jimmy Dean, the bacon. I just poured the lid back because it's piping hot. And I'm going to have a banana to get my potassium on this morning. My coffee over here brewing. And in my air fryer, I have one hash brown. I'm going to turn it over. I like mine crispy. So that's what's on deck for breakfast this morning. So I'm going to rinse my coffee mug out. And I hope your morning is going pretty well. Mine is going well so far. We're expecting some more rain this afternoon. So I'm going to eat this breakfast. I have to clean my car out, so maybe I can do that before it rains. And I like to add black pepper. Sorry about that. Black pepper. My coffee all day. And I thank you guys for watching. And I will be back with another video. Bye bye for now.